Tassimo, French vanilla, and a little piece of shortbread cookie on a Sunday evening in the studio. Doesn't get much better than that. I'm working on soldering threaded posts. Excuse me, I haven't been feeling that well. Threaded posts onto the pins. Line them up so I know that the one at the point and one at the jaw and one at the tip of the wing. I try to make them all the same so that, you know, they're just all the same. You never know, down the road somebody might want to switch a pin or something like that. Who knows? Okay, that's the pickle over here. A little crock pot, you throw it in there afterwards because you put a lot of this flux and stuff on there. This is boric acid and denatured alcohol, which is methyl hydrate. I believe in the US they call it denatured alcohol. Okay, and then I put try to get that in as close as I can. Okay, these are the little threaded stainless steel pins. I'm going to take you through one of these and show you how it goes reasonably quick. Oh, did I do that already? Yeah, okay. When I got my glasses on, 4.5 on the bottom and 1 3/4 on the top, bifocals. Bifocal reading glasses, okay? And this is Battern's Flux. Been using it for years, great stuff. It starts out as a liquid, and then when you heat this up, lots of heat on your, I use a number 7 torch, big one, lots of heat. Self-closing tweezers, and kind of just pick one out, pick it up, and I kind of got all these little pieces of solder. Come on. All the solder cut to one side. Now there's been a little bit of flux on this, so it you know, it's got a clean surface. They're all brand new. And heat this puppy up. Start in the middle. Just warm it right up. We want this thing hot. And you know, don't drag your ass on it. Let's get it hot. Now you'll see that it changes a little bit of color there, brown. That's just picking up the junk and stuff like that. But if you just give it a second here, it'll go to the right temperature, and the flux turns almost from a powder to a liquid, and you can see when it's ready. And it's just like that. And if you don't think one little glob does it, pick up 2. And then here, now I know I want it right at that point. Got my light, my bench on fire. You don't need a whole lot of the solder, just enough to do the job. Keep the lid off. Keep the lid off the pickle jar and just pop that puppy in there. Oh, Christ, I look up every once in a while. Probably ruined the video now. Ah, well, you know what? We're going to run with it. We're going to keep going. And you see how the bench is smoking a little bit? I'm going to throw some water down there in a minute. Okay? I don't want to burn my fucking chop down. Okay, you see how that went? Okay. And I got 4 more to go. And then I got this pin that I'm working on too. I gotta put the bail back on it, a few other things. I'd like that done for tomorrow in the afternoon. I wouldn't normally have a cup of coffee at 6 o'clock, but French vanilla. And I really haven't had that much coffee today, so I don't mind. Okay, you guys, call an old pal. Kind to your fucking animals. I don't want to hear no crap. The dogs are just coming along nice, the rat terriers. I posted a video about them playing with the rat outside that I killed in the feed thing. So that's pretty cool. All right, you guys, long enough.